That is a vibrant, flavor-packed menu. It's got a great balance of lean protein, fiber-rich veggies, and complex carbs. The saffron rice adds a touch of fancy to a weeknight staple, and the tomato salad provides the perfect acidic crunch to cut through the richness of the beef. Here is a streamlined way to get this whole meal on the table in about 30-40 minutes. 1. Golden saffron rice. Start this first so it can simmer while you prep the rest. Ingredient amount basmati, or Jasmine Rice 1 cup, rinsed, water, or vegetable broth. 3-4 cups. Saffron threads, a generous pinch, crushed. Salt 1-2. TSP bloom the saffron. Place saffron threads in 2 tablespoons of warm water for 5 minutes. Boil. Bring water broth to a boil in a small pot. Simmer. Add rice, salt, and the saffron water. Cover, reduce heat to low, and cook for 15 minutes. Rest, remove from heat and keep covered until ready to serve. 2. Pineapple and beef stir fry. The key here is high heat and not overcooking the beef. Ingredients: beef, 1 labie, 450 gris, flank steak or sirloin, thinly sliced against the grain. Produce: 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1 cup snap peas, 1 cup green beans, trimmed. Aromatics: 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 TBSP fresh ginger, grated, sauce, 2 TBSP low-sodium soy sauce, 1 TBSP rice vinegar, 1 TSP sesame oil, and a squeeze of lime. Instructions: sear the beef. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat with a drizzle of oil. Add beef in a single layer. Sear for 2 minutes until browned, then remove and set aside. Veggie flash fry. Add the beans and snap peas. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes until bright green but still crunchy. The mix. Toss in the pineapple, garlic, and ginger. Cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Combine. Add the beef back in along with the sauce ingredients. Toss everything together for 60 seconds to glaze. 3. Zesty tomato salad. Keep it simple to balance the warm stir fry. The base: 2 cups cherry tomatoes, halved, or vine-ripened tomatoes, cubed. The punch: 1 to 2 red onion, thinly sliced, and a handful of fresh cilantro or parsley. The dressing: 1 TBSP olive oil, 1 TBSP red wine vinegar, salt, and plenty of cracked black pepper. Method: toss everything in a bowl and let it sit at room temperature while you finish the stir fry. Pro tips for success: the beef. If you have time, toss the raw beef slices in 1 TSP of cornstarch before cooking. It's a technique called velveting that keeps the meat incredibly tender. The saffron. If you don't want to spend a fortune on saffron, a half teaspoon of turmeric will give you that beautiful yellow color, though the flavor profile will shift slightly toward earthy rather than floral.